Hello guys, I am here to explain lead code question number 2730. Find the longest semi-repetitive substring. So in this question we have to find the longest semi-repetitive substring out of a string S. Now what is the longest semi-repetitive substring? It simply means any string which has only one pair of consecutive elements which are same. Consecutive characters which are same. For example, 0010 is a valid semi-repetitive substring. Is a valid semi-repetitive string because there is only one pair 00 which are same and which are consecutive to each other. Same goes here, 002020. This is also a valid semi-repetitive string because 0 and 0 are together and they are same. Here also this is also valid because there are none of the pairs. And what do we require? We require there should be at most one consecutive pair of the same digits inside that string, right? So this is also valid. This is also valid because 00, right? But this is also valid, right? But this is not valid because we have two pairs 00 and 22. Here also we have two pairs 11 and 88. So these are not valid and these are valid. So we have to find this. So we have to find the longest substring out of the given string, right? So how can we do this? We can do this by using a classical sliding window technique. Okay, what we do is we keep on tracking number of consecutive characters in the string, and as we reach the limit where we are getting more than one consecutive elements, we will start decreasing the window size from left and then just keep track of the maximum length along the way. Okay, for example, let's take a bigger example. Okay, like 1 1 1 1 3 2 6 8. Just give me a minute. Let's just type instead. Okay, this is our string. Okay, now what we can do is we can just start. Okay, like from here we can start. Okay, 1 1. Okay, we have found one pair. Okay, cool. 3, still we have one pair. 8, still have only one pair. And here we have found two pairs now. So what do we do? We'll start decreasing the window from left like this. Okay, now again our window is valid. Again we'll continue 4 5 3. We are good. 6 6. We have found two pairs which are same, so we don't want this, which means we have to again go decrease the window side towards left again, like this. 8 and 8 should go. Again we have this window which is valid. We'll again keep track of the length, moving to the right. 6 6. Now again we are getting two pairs consecutive. Okay, one is this and the other is this. We don't want two consecutive pairs, so what we'll do, we'll again keep decreasing the window until we get only one pair. Yep, this is our one pair. Let me make the line in a clear fashion. Okay, this is good. And now we increase the size 3. Yep, we are done. And in this process we will keep track of the maximum length and then in the end return it. Okay, so let's begin with the approach. Integer n will be the size of the string. A and B will be the endpoints of our window. Also we have to keep track of the number of pairs. And answer. Okay, also we should start from 1 because from the 1th index only we will start getting the pairs. Okay, so count is more than 1, if count is more than 1, okay, if we are really realizing that we are getting more than one pair, we will start decreasing the window from left. Okay, so we can start doing that. Okay, we have done. Now in the end we'll just keep track of the maximum length. And in the end return our answer. Cool. Also we have to increase the b pointer also to the right. Okay, let's just check our code once and count answer. Cool. Let's run our code and check for any silly mistakes or any bugs. I hope we should not get any. Okay, for all of these strings our answer is coming correct. Now let's just try some random string. Get done. Let's just jumble the characters here and there. Okay, let's test on this string. It should run on this string also. Oh, okay. I think the length is a bit too much. Let's add one more case where we are only adding one type of character. Okay, run. And it runs on this. Let's submit this code and hope for the best. Okay, so we are getting a wrong answer. Oh, we missed one edge case where the length of the string is less than 2, which means that no pairs can exist in this string because there is only one character. So how can any pair exist? So if n okay, cool. Now let's add one more test case where there are no pairs. Okay, and run our code also. Okay, let's submit this code with one more test case in the end, which will have only one character. Let's run, and it should work. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, our question got accepted. Now let's discuss the time complexity. Okay, so the time complexity will be linear because we are not doing any iteration inside any iteration, so the time complexity is linear. What we are doing is we are just shifting points towards right. Okay, so that the time complexity is linear, space complexity is coming out to be constant here because we are not using any memory which is directly related to the string size. So space complexity is constant and time complexity is linear. Okay, so I hope you like this approach, and thanks for watching. See you with the next one. Bye.